YouTube, what's going on? Back again with another video, 392 Blurred Lines. As you can see, once again, I'm out in the garage, so I must be getting ready to do something. I can't let a bunch of idle time go by because I want to get something done by the closing of this year. And that something is Operation Dart. I want to get this motor put together. I want to get put down in Operation Dart, and I want to get it fired up. Maybe, just maybe, might make a couple test passes. I don't know. But my main goal is to get the motor in and get that thing fired up. So, I'm out in the garage now, and what I'm going to do today, I'm going to dismask, if there's such a word, but I'm going to remove the masking tape from the block. It is definitely dry. That paint that I put on yesterday, it dried very well. It dried a lot quicker than the primer itself. So today I'm going to be taking the masking tape off, and I'm also going to be taking the grease from the freeze plugs. I put a little bit of grease on those because I wanted the natural color of the freeze plug. I didn't want to paint the freeze plugs the same color as the block. I wanted the freeze plugs to have their own special particular color that they come with when you first put them in. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Some may ask the question, why is he showing us taking masking tape off the engine? As I said before, I had a request to show everything that I do. And I understand what that does. That encourages someone else to get busy. Sometimes we need others to encourage us. And that encouragement is not always going to come from your household. Sometimes it has to come outside your household. So, brother, this is to encourage you to get started. Quit playing around, quit procrastinating, and get that thing finished. Quit playing around with it. So, this particular video is not only to encourage him, but it may also encourage somebody else who's sitting down right now watching this video when they probably should be in the garage working on theirs. So, but I thank you for sitting there and watching this video. I'm not a big YouTuber who's looking to get 75,000 subscribers. I'm not looking to have a channel monetized. This is simply to show family and friends as to what I got going on. And if 75,000 want to subscribe, that's fine too. And you'll be able to take this journey right along with me. This won't be the last project that I'm going to be working on, but it is the project in the meantime as to what I'm going to be working on. So with all that being said, I done rambled on for like approximately about 4 minutes. I done took 4 minutes of your life, but you allowed me to, and I thank you. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get this video started with the removing of the masking tape. So, as I told you yesterday, go ahead, grab your bag of chips, or grab one of my favorites. Grab one of them red vines. Maybe get you a pop, or get you a nice cold ice water. Keep hydrated. But we're going to go ahead, we're going to get this video started. With all that being said, hold on to your britches, because it's about to get busy. All right, peace out. I'll be right back. All right, let's see if we can't get something started today. All right, we're going to start right up here on the top. glasses. I can't see much of nothing. Get my helpers on. There we go. Grease off these freeze plugs. Let's get a grease off the freeze plugs. Let me bring you down here so you can see what I'm talking about here. See, somebody's just putting that grease on these parts that I didn't want to be painted. Comes right off. Let's see what we got going on up in here. Now, question, has anybody else ever thought to do something such as this? This your first time ever seeing something like this done? leave a comment. I want it to be different. And so I thought about doing something different. Most people, they'll paint the freeze plugs right along with the block. But I didn't want to do that. I wanted mine to stand out. And that's exactly what they do. They're going to stand out. That's a beautiful thing. That's a beautiful thing. You know what? I got more rags than that. I know somebody else had to think of doing something such as that. Because great minds think alike. Somebody else has done this. Because that is just so, that is so neat. Man, oh man. I pat myself on the back for that one. Since nobody else is here to do it. Sometimes you got to encourage yourself. Don't always look for somebody to encourage you. Sometimes you got to encourage yourself. Too many other people want to tear you down, so just encourage yourself. Man, I like that. Did you look at this? Yes. Yes. See if we can do the front now. Ooh, that boy tight. There we go. This fan right. All right, let's get you back here so you can see what we got going on the front. Got a couple here in the front as well. See, when I masked off the front, I just want to mask off this bearing, these freeze plugs, and just where the gasket will go around. Didn't have to mask this whole area off. That's why you see a little overspray. That's all right. And I also wanted to make sure I didn't get a bunch of paint on this part here, this cap. So let me go ahead and see if I can get these cleaned up. Move on to the other side. Actually, just want to rotate this dude. So, more. We're gonna call this a done deal with these. That one was a little harder. It seemed like I didn't have enough grease on it. Like the paint was sticking. Like this one here, wiped right out. I can see that I had plenty of grease in it. Just comes right out. The last one just didn't have enough grease. It was sticking. All right, simple as that. All right, what y'all think? Think that looks all right? I think it looks pretty good. That cast iron gray looks real nice. Real nice. Give you a look-see over. Yes, indeedy. Yes, indeedy. Oh, yes. All right. All right, as you can see, quick, simple, nice little simple video today, just to show you where we're at. Today being Friday. Tomorrow, I still have to find out whether or not our ring file came, because we got to file these rings down. I would like to at least, if the file didn't come, I would like to at least get the rods on the pistons, the piston head itself, and we'll put the rings on after we get the file. I don't know if it came. I don't know yet. I'm gonna give Brother Pomp a call and find out whether or not that came, and if it came, then I'm sure tomorrow we're gonna get quite a bit of this build assembled tomorrow. I'll find out when I give him a call, but I don't know yet. I have no idea, but I will find out, and as soon as I find out, you'll find out. Not as soon as I find out, but you will find out. So I hope that I've encouraged somebody today to get out in the garage and just do a little bit of something. You know, no longer than that took me to do. It was something that I needed to do. Now I'll cover the block up, and I'll be done out here working and messing around for today until tomorrow, unless he comes out this evening and decides he wants to do something. But I know that Martin's has something going on this evening as well as tomorrow. We were going to cancel out because we thought it was going to rain, but from the way it looks, it doesn't look like it's going to rain. So we may end up going up to 131 this evening and seeing what's going down the quarter or down the eighth, whatever they're running tonight. I don't know. So I may end up doing that this evening. I don't know. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to shut this video down. And I'm going to go in here and I'm going to give this brother a call and find out if he received anything today. And if not, maybe he'd like to go up to Martin this evening, or maybe I'll go up there by myself. I know my wife, she has choir rehearsal today, and maybe my son has to work this evening. I may end up going up there by myself, jump in the Scat Pack and head out, jump in Blurred Lines and say, let's roll. I don't know. With all that being said, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to shut this thing down. And like I said before, this is the first time coming to the channel. If you found something interesting, hey, hit that like button. Hit that post notification bell so the next video to post, you'll be the first one to catch it. With all that being said, I'm going to shut this thing down. 392 Blurred Lines coming at you. Peace out.